Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your clip and opening Mcpro24fps now. You want a clean baseline. First, make a quick primary correction. Fix exposure, white balance, and contrast so the LUT behaves predictably. Once done, create a serial node labeled primary, keep highlights from clipping and pull mids into range. Make sure timeline frame rate matches your source and playback is smooth. Because Mcpro24fps reacts to native clips differently and accurate base correction prevents color shifts later. Now apply the Mcpro24fps preset that approximates your target filmic look. You pick a camera profile or film emulation. You should set the strength between 40 and 60% to preserve skin tones while adding character, then fine-tune. Once applied, add a second node for targeted corrections. Desaturate problem greens, lift or lower reds in midtones, and tweak luminance for faces. Make sure to check scopes as you make changes so you keep legal broadcast levels and natural skin rendering. Finish by using an output node for final global contrast, film grain, and any vignette. These unify the image. You should regularly toggle bypass to compare before and after because subtle shifts reveal overcorrections. Once satisfied, render a short clip and inspect for banding or hue clipping. If problems occur, reduce LUT strength, introduce tiny film grain or dither, and recheck camera gamma. This process locks the look while preserving highlights and skin tones, ensuring a natural, cinematic result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.